Good morning, girls. In this video, we'll discuss nested if statement and nested if else statement. Okay. So, if statements in Java can also be used in nested form. It means if within if. Okay. So, there will be, suppose we are going to write two if statement. One is another within another if. So, the inner if statement will be executed only if the condition of the outer if, this if will get executed only if this condition is true. Okay. Firstly, this condition will be checked. If the condition is true, then this if will be executed. Okay. And within this if, there is another if. Okay. So, the inner if will get executed only if the outer if condition is true. Okay. So, this is general syntax of nested if statement. If within if. Okay. If within another if. Okay. You can have one more if within this. You can have any number of if statement within a if statement. Okay. And so if can also be used in nested form. Inner if will be executed only if the outer if is true. Condition evaluates to true. Now come to nested if statement. If else. If this is the outer if and this is the else of this outer if. If else. Now within this if there is another if else statement. Okay. So this if else will get executed when the condition of this outer if gets evaluated to true. Okay. This will get executed if this condition is true. Okay. So this else belongs to this if and this else belongs to this outer if. Okay. Now the example of nested if. This one. If weight is less than 45. Okay. Again, within if there is a if condition, if height is greater than 175 centimeters, then print eligible. So when the candidate will be eligible? When the weight is less than 45 and height is above 175. If firstly we'll check for this condition will get executed, this will get executed, this will be checked. If the weight is above 45, it means suppose 50. Okay, then this will not be executed. Okay, this inner loop will get executed only if this condition is true. Now suppose the weight is 30, then the height will be checked. Then this if will be executed, and if the height is greater than 175, you will be getting output eligible. And suppose the weight is 30 but the height is 150, then you will not be getting any output as you have not written the else part in this if. There is no else part. This is true. The weight is less than 45, suppose 30, but this condition is false. The height is 150. So if will not get executed and there is no else part. Okay. Now nested if else example. If marks greater than equal to 85, then if the condition is true, the next condition is within this if, suppose the marks are 90. So we'll come to this part. Greater than equal to 92? No. If we are taking example 90, then it will print not eligible for scholarship. Okay. And suppose the marks are 95. This condition is true, greater than 85, and this one is also true. So you will be getting output eligible for 90% scholarship. Okay. And if the input is 90, so this condition is true, greater than 85. 90 is greater than 85 but less than 92. So this one is false. So we'll come to the else part of this if, that is not eligible for 75% or 90%, whatever the condition given scholarship. Okay, and if the marks not 85, less than or equal to 85, then this part will get executed. Okay, suppose the marks are 90, then this will get executed in that case, and above 85 or 85, this part will get executed. Okay, suppose the marks are 80, then this will get executed. Between 70 to 85, eligible for 60% scholarship, and otherwise eligible for 40% scholarship.